Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Filipino-style burritos. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground pork, 1 cup of mixed vegetables like carrots and peas, and large flour tortillas, perhaps 10 inches in diameter. Don't forget your aromatics, garlic and onions, plus some soy sauce and black pepper for seasoning. Having everything ready makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Start by browning your 1 pound of ground pork in a large skillet over medium heat, breaking it up as it cooks. Once it's nicely browned, drain any excess fat. Then, add your minced garlic and chopped onions, sautéing them until they are fragrant and translucent. Finally, stir in your mixed vegetables, 25 cup of soy sauce and a dash of black pepper. Cook this mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender. With your delicious filling ready, it's time to assemble these beauties. Gently warm your large flour tortillas for about 15 to 20 seconds in a microwave or a dry pan. This makes them much easier to fold without tearing. Lay a tortilla flat, then spoon about 5 cup of your savory filling just below the center. Fold in the sides of the tortilla, then tightly roll it up from the bottom, creating a neat, compact burrito. Your amazing Filipino-style burritos are now ready to enjoy. Serve them warm, perhaps with a side of sweet chili sauce for a delightful kick, or a simple vinegar dipping sauce for a tangy contrast. These are perfect for a family meal or a gathering with friends. They are incredibly satisfying and packed with flavor. Remember to check the description below for the link to those fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.